What's up, YouTube? Today we got the MaxTrax, and we also got the Prinsu brackets. Came in from Cali Ray's Off-Road. We're gonna do a quick unboxing and a quick install. So let's get it. I didn't see any videos on YouTube about these brackets, so hopefully this video will help you guys. We came with a bracket and some hardware. You got some T-bolts, some washers, and some locking nuts, and of course the brackets. Alright folks, before we mount these brackets on top of the roof rack, we're going to mount these MaxTrax mounting pins onto the brackets. To mount the brackets on top of this Prinsu rack, the hardware that they supply was these little T-bolts slide into place. Pretty cool how Prinsu has a nice little groove, so you don't have to take this apart to put the bolt in. Next, we're gonna grab the MaxTrax and see if it lines up. We got a bunch of installs coming up, so tune in. Thank you.